Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to edit the theme code of your Shopify store. Now, editing your theme code can be a powerful way to customize your store's design, add special features, or fix small layout issues, so you can make your store look exactly how you want. Don't worry, the process is going to be very easy and simple. Let's get started. We're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what we're going to do basically is head over to the left side of the screen and we're going to click on Online Store. When you open the online store under Sales Channels, you're going to find Themes. In our current setup, we're using the Horizon theme as the standard theme instead of the Dawn theme. Now, what are we going to do next? We'll go to the button on the left side of the Customize button and click on Edit Code. You can also see Edit Default Theme Content, but we won't be touching that today. We're focusing only on Edit Code. Important step, back up your theme. Before doing any coding at all, there's one crucial thing you need to do: create a backup of your theme. So first, you need to download the theme file and also duplicate it. This ensures that if anything goes wrong, you can easily restore your previous version. You can download it to your computer or send it to your email for safekeeping. Always work on the duplicate copy of your theme, never edit your live theme directly. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and open the Edit Code section on the duplicated theme. Don't worry, it's not going to be published, so there's no risk of breaking your live store. Now, we're inside the Shopify code editor. As you can see, in the latest updates of Shopify, the code editor has a new, modern design. If you've used older versions of Shopify before, this layout might look different, but it's actually easier to navigate and better organized now. Every theme in Shopify has several folders and files that control how your store looks and functions. Here's a quick breakdown. Assets contains your CSS, JavaScript, and image files. Blocks holds components like product cards, collection items, or announcement blocks. Config contains configuration files such as settings.data.json. Layout handles overall page layout, typically includes theme.liquid. Locales used for language translations. Sections holds editable content sections like the header, footer, or featured collection. Snippets contains small reusable pieces of code. Template controls how individual pages like product pages or blogs are structured. For example, inside assets, you might find files like announcementbar.js, accountlogin.js, custom CSS, and icons such as arrow or cart icons stored as SVGs. If you click on announcementbar.js, it'll open in the main code window. Here, you can see JavaScript controlling features like auto-sliding banners or pause on hover functions. Each element or feature of your theme will have corresponding code files here. If you want to modify a specific element, you can easily search for it. Use Ctrl+F or Command+F on Mac to open the search bar, and type in the keyword you're looking for example, logo or favicon. You'll then see every occurrence of that word inside the file. From there, you can edit things like logo size, color, or file path, depending on what you're trying to achieve. Always make small changes and save frequently. Use comment lines like endless enhance or pressing for adds in HTML, logo size or HIPAA in CSS to mark what you've edited. If you're not sure about a line of code, don't delete it. Instead, comment it out first. You can use Shopify's preview to see live changes before publishing your theme. This helps you test your modifications safely without affecting your customer's experience. Once you've made your changes, click Preview to check how your edits look on your store. If everything looks great, you can go back and publish the edited theme when ready. If something doesn't look right, no worries, just revert to your backup or previous version. If you're new to editing Shopify code, focus mainly on theme.liquid, custom.css, and sections/header.liquid at first. Avoid touching complex JavaScript files unless you're comfortable coding. And if you ever break something, you can restore older versions of the file using the Older Versions dropdown inside the editor. Shopify automatically saves recent versions for you. And there you go! That was pretty much it for today's video. Now you know how to safely edit your Shopify theme code, customize your store, and make your design look exactly how you imagine. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips. Take care, and happy building!